kitchen. So today, I'm just gonna show you how to unbox this food processor of Salad Master. So as you can see with this piece, it's very important if you have this in your kitchen because it helps you a lot to prepare your meals. So we have these 5 cones over here. So I'll show you later on how it works with this cone. And we have also this guide. And of course, the whole package here is, this is the 5 cones that we have here. And we have the cooker and then the other one. So it's pretty neat if you have this. It will complete your kitchen. So now I will assemble this food processor in my kitchen. It's gonna find like the good spot in your kitchen to put this one. And then the next one is the hopper. Just gonna insert like this. Okay. And then the food guide. We have also this guide. You're just gonna slide in right here. Okay. Ganito pala pagbago. Okay. And then right now, the 5 cones. So this one, number 4 is the thin slicer. Good for potato chips or carrot cuts, coleslaw, or any other foods to be thinly sliced. And we have the number 1, shredder, which is good for if you're gonna cut some cheese, some peanuts on it, or breadcrumbs. And the number 2 is the stringer. You can just cut this one with like for example, for the coleslaw. Number 3 is the French fryer. All the kids loves French fries, so you can use the number 3 cone. And the last one is the number 5, which is the waffler, for fancy waffled cuts of fruits and vegetables. And of course, I have this beautiful 3.5 salad bowl. Just gonna put this one. That's perfect if you're gonna cut something. Okay. Hello guys, thank you for watching on my video today. Please subscribe and don't forget to like and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you again.